Hello, Cannafyl fans.
Hi.
All right, today we will be talking about our pet formulated CBD products for your pets. You'll use it if they have pain from joint problems or inflammation. You can even use pet CBD if your dog is struggling with anything related to anxiety. If you leave and they go nuts on you, that's a good use for CBD. But how to give your dog CBD? So you might have a product that will look like this. It will be a tincture bottle. Inside of will be the CBD that is bound to a carrier. Lots of times different types of oils. This one is specifically made to be good for pets. And if she opens the tincture, you'll see that there is a dropper in there with marks on it. Now when you go to our website and you see our dosage schedule, it might tell you put 0.25 milligrams milligrams of CBD in there. And if that's so, then you'll go to the 0.25 marker on your dropper.
Which is all the way down here. It's the first marker on the dropper.
Right. And what we commonly do is just sprinkle it over our dry food.
Yep.
Once we do, we mix it up. To date, we've not seen any dogs too finicky to not enjoy this. So we mix it up and then we put their food down. Now this is one way of doing it. Another way of doing it would be to take a piece of bread, which he is going to show you. Same amount in the dropper. Again, you want to refer to your dosage card. And that same amount she'll apply on a piece of bread. There we are, quarter of a dropper. Put it on the piece of bread. It's going to absorb it right up.
Yep, just give it a second. This is how we give a smaller dog their CBD, because it's really important that the dog gets the whole dose.
Correct.
All at once. So if they don't eat their food, maybe they leave some and they come back, you want to do your CBD oil in a product that they'll eat up right away.
Yes.
So we just use the bread as a good example that it absorbs the oil and then the dog eats the treat.
And as a final note, bread can be really helpful if your dog is of that age where a lot of their teeth are missing.
Yes.
And they're soft food. This is a great way to still get it into them.
Right.
All right, and the final is if you do have to put it directly into their mouth, that also is well tolerated. Kim, you said to put it where?
I like to put it right in the side of the mouth.
Outside of the teeth, but way back in the cheek, so that they do not spit it back out is the goal.
Right.
You can use CBD every day for your pets when you're dealing with those things we mentioned earlier in this video.
Yes.
Okay, give us a call if you need anything, or an email, info@cannafyl.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.